Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to delete Facebook cover photo. So friends, you don't want to use your Facebook cover photo, you want to delete your Facebook cover photo. So friends, now let's see how to delete Facebook cover photo one by one, step by step friends, we are going to talk about today. And before starting video, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So friend, first of all we will turn on Facebook application in mobile. After on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface in your Facebook. And friends, you want to delete your Facebook cover photo, tap on your profile. First of all, you can check your profile photo, see profile picture. You can check your profile photo and you want to delete your Facebook profile photo. So friends, you can see profile photo and you can delete from here. Here is three dot and you want to change your photo, so you can change your photo. And you want to delete, see profile picture, and friends tap here three dot right side. I have net issue and your photo will delete. So friends, tap on your cover photo, view profile cover photo, select here, and you want to delete your cover photo, so you can delete here right side three dot and you can delete it. First of all, I will remove it. Friends, you can see no internet connection. So friends, we will wait for a while. Friends, first of all, refresh your Facebook setting. Now friends, we have internet. Tap on your cover photo, view profile cover photo, and friends right side you can see three dot, and tap on your three dot and you can delete your cover photo. Friends, you can see now we have three dot option. Tap here, and if you tap here edit caption, so friends you can edit your cover photo. And you don't want to edit, you want to delete your cover photo on your Facebook account. So friends, you can delete. Tap second option, delete option, and your cover photo will delete. Are you sure you want to delete this photo? Yes, I am sure I want to delete this photo. Tap here, photo will delete. Friends, you can check. Tap on again your Facebook application and your photo will delete. Again we will select here, delete. Again friends, you can see we have net issue problem. We will wait for a while. Friends, you can see cover photo will delete. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.